What's poppin', Yaz Gang? As y'all can see, I am in my car this morning. My car is so dirty, y'all. I'm in my car this morning because we about to take my car back to the shop and drop it off. We're finna take my car back to the shop and drop it off so we can see how long it's gonna take for them to fix it or whatever. But y'all, I'm so excited, like, oh my god, I'm so excited because it's been a long time coming. So period, I'm gonna drop my car off and hopefully it won't take long because I'm hosting an event for Halloween on the 21st, and baby, I need my car. But yeah, we on the way to the shop. I'll see y'all when I get there. Oh yeah, yeah. Basically, we riding in the parade. I got my uncle in front of me and my sister behind me because I gotta be up at physical therapy at 1 o'clock. It's 12:42, so we're gonna go take this car over here before I gotta go to physical therapy. So yeah, my sister trailing behind me and my uncle in front of me, and we're gonna go drop this car off. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna call my sister now. So I went to drop the car off. I thought I was gonna be able to swipe my card, but they said they accept cash only. Y'all excuse my sister dog, he ran with us today, but so they said cash only. So of course I had to go to the bank and get the money out. So now we just gonna be on the way back to take them the money so they can get started working on my car. So I will see y'all when we get back over there. Okay, y'all, so I'm leaving the shop. I just took them their little monies or whatever. So he said it's gonna take a week. So it's gonna be a week turnaround time. So today is Wednesday, what's today? You don't know what today is? Where your phone is? It's the 12th. Today is the 11th. Today is Wednesday the 11th. So that means I should be getting my car back next Wednesday, just in time for my events that I'm hosting next weekend. So if everything goes as planned, I might be driving my car to the event if everything goes as planned. But we are on the way home, and I'm gonna finish this video. I'm probably gonna do just one video. I'm probably not gonna do 2 parts. So I'm gonna finish this video Wednesday when I go pick my car up. I'm gonna show y'all. Damn, just pull out in front of us then. Really? Oh my god. Woosah. But yes, I'm gonna finish this video next Wednesday when I go pick my car up. So I will see y'all on next Wednesday. Okay, y'all, today's the day. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, October 28th, and today's the day that I'm going to get my car back. Let me turn this music down. Okay, today's the day I'm going to get my car back. Y'all, the man told me Wednesday. I got there, they said Friday, which was yesterday. I get there, oh, we still gotta paint it. It's gonna be tomorrow at noon. Tomorrow noon come, I done went to the bank, got the money out. Tomorrow noon come, which is Saturday today at noon. This bitch gonna text me at 11:30 in the morning, tell me something. Oh, it ain't gonna be ready till 2 o'clock. What? So It is 2:04, and we finna head up here, me and my cousin. I had to drive to my cousin's house so I could leave my dad a car at my cousin's house so he could take me to go get the car. Then I have to take the car back to my house and park it. Then he got to bring me back to his house to get my dad a car, and then I got to go back home. So, yeah. I will see y'all when we get there. My mirror ain't right. I'm gonna have to fix my side mirror on that side over there. But okay, y'all, so I just got my car back. So when I get to the house, I'm gonna show y'all, like, I'm gonna do another walk around. I wanna drive it, but y'all know I ain't got my tag right yet, so I can't really drive it to see how it is. So I got my cousin following me back to the house so I can see how it's driving on the way back to the house. Then I gotta go back to my cousin's house to get my dad a car and then come back to the house. Y'all, I literally want to get on the freeway and see how this shit driving because I have not drove my car in I don't know how long. Like, I want to see. I'm scared to drive it right now because I'm coming through the neighborhood for number one, but I need to get on the freeway and see how it's driving. Like, I feel like they didn't adjust in my seat. Like, I feel like my seat not right. I don't know. I'm just happy I got my car back, y'all. He told me something. Oh, I know it took longer than what it was supposed to. I'm like, man, I don't give a fuck about none of this shit. I'm just glad I finally got my shit back. Like, but now I gotta drive more carefully because I don't want to be in the same fucking situation again. I should have asked them, did they clear the accident codes? My mirrors, baby, I can't see shit out of these mirrors. Who the fuck been driving my damn car? I ain't even try to adjust the mirrors because I thought the mirrors was gonna be in the same position when I left the car, y'all. I've just been driving. I ain't even checked the mirrors now one goddamn time. That don't make no sense. But we pulling up at home now, so it don't matter at this point. Period. I'm pulling back up at home. driving through the neighborhood in a minute. Baby, come on, so I can park. Shit. God damn it. Yeah, I had to park in between the two houses. First, I'm gonna let my damn seats back up. Oh shit.